Hello and welcome to NetBox automation tutorials. In this video, we will see how to do bulk creation and updation of the objects using post, put and patch in NetBox API. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a single object, then do a full update and a partial update. So we used post, put and patch. Now we will see how to do the bulk creation. Let me just duplicate this. I will call this 08 underscore create sites and URL is going to be same. And previously, if you notice, we were passing this in a dictionary format. Now here we need to pass it in a list format. So we will create additional sites US NYC BO2, 3 and 4. So everything is within a list. Now let me send it. Okay, we can see the IDs of the new objects 33, 34 and 35. Now we can go to NetBox, refresh the page, and here now we can see the 3 new sites. Now to update it, it is going to be same. You just need to pass it in the list format. I'll go to Postman, duplicate it. I will call this 09 put sites. I will paste the data. For all these objects, I have passed the ID 33, 34 and 35, which it has created earlier, and I'm assigning these to the group and tenant. And I need to change the method to put, save it, and we'll run it. Now go back to NetBox, refresh the page, and we can see this got updated. Now we will see how to do a patch. Go to Postman, I'll duplicate this. I will call this 10 patch sites. I'll delete it, paste it here. With the ID, I'm changing the description to bulk update, then passing even the groups. Then I'm going to add a changelog message. We'll go to some of these objects. I'll open this changelog. As of now, we have only these 2 changelogs. Now here I'll change to patch, save it. And currently, let me check. Okay, the description is initial demo site, and I'll keep the changelog opened, run it. Okay, I'll go to the page, refresh it, and now we can see the changelog message for the site. So in this way, we can do the bulk create and update using post, put and patch. In the next video, we will see how to do the delete operation using Postman.